growing microgreens in soil. So I'm doing arugula microgreens. This is the soil that I use. I use about 3 of these yogurt containers full of soil. That's how I measure it. I spread it all around, but then we made a little tool where I can push it down flat. That seems to work really well. I measured my seeds, though I didn't show that part, and I used about 20 grams of seeds, which really filled it up. And you wet the soil first really well. So I'm just showing here a little bit. That's how I used it, just spraying it down. You're not going to spray the seeds once they're there, but you want to get that soil good and wet. Spreading the seeds, this is how I do it. You can see 10 different ways on other YouTube videos, but this seems to work for me. Press it down on my hand. They do kind of show up on your hand too, but this gets them really good contact with the soil. So there they are. You cover these for about 2 days before they germinated. So there they are, germinated, and then they get going. This is about 4 days and 6 or 7 days. I do use grow lights, only about 12 hours a day. And that's it. Enjoy your microgreens. Thanks for watching.